Welcome to day 660 of our Web3 journey. I'm Ed Krasenstein, here with my twin brother Brian. And remember, these videos are being sponsored by DSocial World. They are an app built on the DSO blockchain. So Brian, what's the latest with Bitcoin? We're finally seeing some upward movement.
Yeah, so Bitcoin hit 21,000, actually spiked over $21,000 yesterday. It has some analysts saying that we might be out of the bear market. The crypto winter might be over with. I don't know. I think it's too early to say for sure. Looking at some charts, though, it does seem like 20,000 could act as a strong support. I think we got to see what happens over the course of the next several weeks. It does appear that shorts are liquidating, which means that shorts are covering. People were betting that Bitcoin was going to continue to drop under 16,000. And as we saw the price jump over 20% in a matter of days, those shorts are covering. And that just increases the move up. CoinGlass said that $125 million in shorts were liquidated yesterday alone, and over $300 million in shorts were liquidated since Thursday. So the tide does seem to be turning. Whether this is like a bear trap or not, I don't know. We could see it drop back down. We could see it keep going up. I do think that things are looking more positive, though. I think we have FTX kind of in the rearview mirror now. Unless another shoe drops, a big one, I don't think that's going to have much of an impact anymore. And I think people are just realizing Bitcoin is the future and that it might be a good time to kind of dollar cost average down. But we'll see.
Yeah, we will see. And I also noticed that on the weekly chart, the 25-day moving average was crossed. If this weekly candle closes above that moving average, it will be the first time that we had a candle close above that since December of 2021. So that would definitely be a very bullish sign in my eyes. We just got to wait and see, though. And, one bullish sign here might be canceled out by a more bearish sign over here. So reading the charts it's kind of hard when you read technicals, because you can kind of always find something that goes along with the narrative that you want.
Yeah, and I saw a lot of people posting like memes or just posts on Twitter showing that it's been 3 up years, then a down year, 3 up years, then a down year, 3 up years, then a down year. 2023, 2024, and 2025 should be up years if that trend continues. You can't read too much into it. Bitcoin is only about 14 years old. So
Yeah,
you can't
exactly.
read too much into that. But if that's the case, we're definitely headed towards some prosperous crypto times. So we'll see.
And other cryptos tend to follow Bitcoin, so it could be a good time for the entire crypto space if all goes as planned, or all goes well from here on out. But let's move on to DSO, another blockchain. Nader Al-Naji, the co-founder of DSO, or the founder of DSO, teased a DSO partnership with Core DAO yesterday, and this is really interesting. He made a post saying, "Congrats to the amazing Core DAO team on an amazing launch. Looking forward to some DSO partnerships in the near future. Watch this space." So it seems like he's working on something with Core. Core, it's a blockchain. They claim to be the, quote, only truly decentralized Web3 consensus, and they're building Web3 infrastructure on Bitcoin's proof of work. It's really interesting. A lot of stuff to read about them. If you want to learn about them, just go to Core. You could just go to I have the URL messed up here, but just go to the post above this video. I linked to Natter's post, and you get more information via their Medium posts. Check it out. Definitely worth checking out.
Yeah, and the way I understand it is they kind of they want to add a layer to Bitcoin in order to make it more like Ethereum, so that developers can kind of build on top of Bitcoin like they do with Ethereum. And I really like this idea. I know that Bitcoin's pretty sluggish to make changes, which is a good thing. That's why I love Bitcoin, is because it's just the code is so solid and it doesn't change that often. It's very secure. But having something like Core here, I think that Core DAO could kind of add that functionality to Bitcoin that everybody likes with Ethereum.
Yeah, for sure. So this coming Wednesday, January 18th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, it's every 2 p.m. on every Wednesday so far, Alex Velitis and the Story team, of course, that will be Design Style and Rabal, will be guests on William Laurent and Michelle Lord's Twitter Spaces podcast. It's Web3 and 53. Like I said, it's every Wednesday at 2 p.m. so far. And I can't wait to hear Alex speak. I can't wait to hear from the story team. Great OGs of DSO, and it should be very fun. Be sure to set your reminders so you're notified when that event goes live. Again, a link's above this video, and DSO will be loaded on YouTube.
Yeah, definitely attend this event. I think that if you're a DSO user, this is an event that you definitely want to attend. I know we always see a lot of DSO faces in William and Michelle's podcast, Web3 and 53, but definitely check this one out. If you can make it at 2 p.m. on Twitter Spaces, there's some really great people, of course, design staff, of course, Alex. They're both fans of DSO, and I think we'll learn a lot.
And Moonbounce, Brian. What's latest with Moonbounce?
Yeah, so Moonbounce, which is a project that's created by DSO OGs, they post on DSO all the time. They've been accepted into the Google Chrome store. It's a game that's played across the internet with your friends. You can win prizes just for hanging out on the web, pretty much. But I don't think there's any interconnection with DSO right now. That doesn't mean in the future there won't be. But definitely support it. Check it out. These are great people, great DSO OGs behind it. I know that they've been working hard on this project, and I was checking it out this morning. Great idea, great project. Definitely check it out. I know I said that like 5 times.
Yeah, if I recall correctly, I think Moonbounce was a DSO project, but I think they kind of rebranded or taken on other things, and now they're this Chrome extension. And I imagine they can, if they're not planning on already, they can introduce DSO, integrate it into their app. So that should be fun and exciting. So as many of you know, nftz.me is the only place where you can view and post live time DSO NFT auctions. Just go to nftz.me/auctions, and you view all of the auctions ending soon. And by soon, I mean the next 2 to 3 days. I want to touch on several NFTs that are ending the next 24 hours. We got some goodies for you today. Glow Art As has their Facial Moon V1B5 NFT and V1B4 NFTs up for auction ending today around 2 p.m. Eastern time. And the minimum bid is just 0.1 DSO, so check those out. Art2Z has more DSO Joker NFTs up for auction ending at around 3 p.m. Eastern time. DSO Ghost number 208, it's a rare one. I know we talked about another rare one a couple days ago. This one's up for auction, and it ends at around 3:10 p.m. Eastern time today. ZN Meet at DSO OG is auctioning off Clout Cox number 185, and that ends today around 3:30 p.m. Eastern time. Mini Yo is auctioning off Mini Yo number 16, ending at 6 p.m. Eastern time. High bid's only 0.15 DSO so far. And Clay Oglesby, another OG of DSO, is auctioning off Unicat number 176, ending at 2:30 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow morning.
Lots of great auctions ending the next 24 hours, definitely. So check those out. The top 10 NFT bidders on the DSO blockchain over the last 24 hours, according to NFTZ, they are as follows: Steadfast LLC, Marks Realty, Leo J, Amps, Ollie B, Machine Spleak, CompDeck, Johan Holmberg, Magnifico, and BAFQ. And the top diamond creators of the last 24 hours, thanks to our friends at Alton-Base for this list. These people received the most diamonds or tips on their posts and replies on the DSO blockchain last day. Strigo is number 1, followed by Arpete, DOZ, Kirstini, Diego Robot, Garfish, Messet NFT, Safan Gastrochrono, Swafts, and Elric Ericos. So congrats to all those people.
Congratulations, and that's all the news we have for today. Everybody have a great rest of your Sunday, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.